Hello everyone, good morning, welcome to another video. Today I'm trying my new NiSi filter system. I'll be trying out my new Polarizer filter. I have my polarizer set up right now, so I'll start with a simple composition and I'll show you the difference with the polarizer, without the polarizer, and then I'm gonna stack some ND filters to slow down that shutter speed. So I'll show you what it looks like. All right, first I'm gonna try to guide you through what I'm seeing in terms of composition, because once I have my composition dialed in, I'm gonna stack up some filters, so it's not gonna be moving. The water's running down this way. I have the trees in the top. Sorry for that. Trees in the top that kind of close the top of the frame, so it keeps the eye in the shot. I'm hoping these, wavy lines help us get in the shot. I'm not gonna say a pretty composition, but let's start with that and see how the filter reacts. Right now my shutter speed is at 1/10 of a second, f11, ISO 100. So I'll take first shot. Obviously I'm using a 2-second timer because I don't want to introduce any shake to the camera. All right, so I'll play around with the polarizer filter so you can see the difference. So there's a nice wheel over here. You can spin down or up to move the polarizer filter. So as you can see, this is polarized, and should I say, this is without the polarizer. So you can see the effect. We want to be able to cut down some reflection because otherwise it's going to be a big, white spot on the bottom of the frame. And I just want to keep the let's say the top part of the small waves in the shot, but not the reflection of the sky. Okay, so now I'm taking the first shot with the water polarized, and I'm going to move the polarizer back and take the second shot without any polarization. And here's the result with the shot side by side. So as you can see, without the polarizer, there's a lot of reflection on the water, and I think the shot is too bright. With the polarizer, I think it gives a better effect. But now let's see how the shot reacts with a neutral density filter right in front of the lens. So this is a ND64 filter. So it's a 6-stop filter, so I'm gonna pop it right in front of the lens in the filter holder. Just need to slide it right in just like that, and it holds in place. All right, and since I'm trying a new filter system, I want to talk a little bit about the filter holder. So the filter holder is the front part of the filter system that you can mount or should I say stack, like neutral density filters or graduated filters. And what's cool about this is there's kind of a lock in it, so it cannot fall. So you need to unscrew a little bit this wheel, and then you're able to put out the filter. If you need to add more filters, you just have to, yeah, I'm gonna wait for the cars to pass. Let's try again. So you always have your polarizer filter on with this system, and you can just pop in the holder just like that and lock it in place with the screw so it cannot fall. So as I was placing the filter in front of the camera, the lighting is changing pretty drastically. So I think the shot's going to be hard to compare, but at least you're going to be able to see the difference it makes on the water with the longer exposure. And right now it's going to be 6 seconds with this 6-stop ND filter. So a 2-second timer again, and here's the shot. All right, so let's try to find another composition.